Hello there and welcome to another vlog. Today we're making the Ruffled flip-flop sandals and we're going to jump right on into it. We're going to start by making a slip knot. And we're going to start about a 1/2 inch from the bottom. We're going to wrap the yarn around and pull it through. And that creates a slip knot to start our work. Next, we're going to single crochet around the flip-flop 20 times. So go ahead and wrap the hook around your yarn, push the hook up under the flip-flop band, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and we're going to pull it through all of the loops on the hook. I'm going to do this several times with you so you'll get the hang of it. Okay. Have it in slow motion here. All right, so we've completed one. So we're going to do this 19 more times. So we're going to wrap the hook around the yarn, push the hook up under the flip-flop, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. Now we're going to wrap it around the yarn and pull it through all of the loops on the hook. Okay, we're gonna repeat this 18 more times. I'll meet you at the top of the flip-flop. So this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Creates a nice little braid on one side. So now we're going to work our way down the other side. And we're going to create 20 again, so it's even. I don't do anything special. I just go ahead and start with number 1 on the other side of the little piece that goes between your toe. Okay, so I finished both sides and I'm going to finish off. So to hide your ends, you can weave it back up along the crochet that you just did. So just weave it through, just keep weaving it through so that when you make your next row, it's already hidden and secure. The other option is to weave them in after you complete all of your work. The next color I'm using is baby pink, and we're going to start by making a slip knot and slip knotting into the first chain space. So round 2, we're going to double crochet into each chain space all the way around the flip-flop. Go ahead and chain 2, yarn over, wrap the yarn around over your hook, insert your hook into the first chain space, yarn over again, pull the yarn through the stitch. So you're going to yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. You'll have 2 remaining loops. So you're going to yarn over again and pull through the remaining loops on your hook. Now you've created a double crochet in the first chain space. Okay, so let's do it again in the same chain space. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain space. Yarn over again, pull your hook through 2 chains or 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and you're going to pull through 2 remaining hooks or loops on your hook. Okay, there you have it. 2 double crochets. So we're going to do the same process for all of the stitches. We're going to double crochet in each chain space 3 times. So as a reminder, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain space, yarn over again, pull yarn through the stitch. Gonna pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Go ahead and complete this, and I will meet you at round 3. So this is what it's looking like. As you can see, a ruffle is starting to form. The ruffles are formed by creating a double crochet 3 times in 1 chain space. So I just finished up the pink row. I'm going to adjust my ruffles a little bit to see how I like it. So now we're going to move on to our turquoise. So I don't do anything different with the turquoise. I'm going to start with a slip stitch in the first chain space. We're going to double crochet 3 times in each chain space around the flip-flop, just as we did with row 2. Some people actually like more ruffles. Some people like less ruffles. If you like less, you can stop at round 2. If you're still with me, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I purchased my flip-flops from the Dollar Tree, but if you're going to sell them, I would suggest buying a higher quality flip-flop. Also, the flip-flops has quite of a large band on them. I think if you find a flip-flop with a smaller band, the beginning row, round 1, would look a lot better. And that's just my opinion. But these are perfect for practicing and getting your pattern down. So this is what it's looking like. The ruffles are really pretty. So I don't do anything special to the top. I just continue around the flip-flop. So we're finishing up the third round, and what I like to do after I finish off, I like to go ahead and adjust my ruffles and make them really pretty and in place.